Today Sarah and I are going to make a crema di peperoncini piccanti, and these hot cayenne peppers will be made into this incredible cream that you will be able to use for many dishes. Some vinegar, salt, and finally olive oil. Believe me, it's going to be very important to wear gloves, because once you start taking these little stems off and you get in touch with the inside of that cayenne pepper, it can really burn your hands. So we're going to take these off. So this year we had a lot of peppers in the garden, almost an industrial amount of peppers, and so we have tried to find different ways to put them to good use, and this is just one of them. So now we're going to cut them in half, and it doesn't need to be precise, you just want them to be open. And we're going to do this with all of them. As you can see, they've all been cut open. We're going to transfer them in here, and then we will show you the next step. In this pan, we will put the white wine and the vinegar. Actually might need some more, and to it we will add the peppers, and they have to be submerged, so I'm going to have to adjust just a tad. As you can see, we adjusted with the wine and the vinegar, and they are nicely submerged, and now we'll bring this to a boil for maybe 8 minutes. 8 minutes are up, and now we'll be able to drain them. And here we're going to get just a bit out, and I will show you a neat trick. You can put them in this potato masher and squeeze a bunch of water out that way. So we're going to place them right on here on this cooling rack, and this will also be great to catch all the seeds in the bottom of the pan. We'll spread it out and place it in the oven that has cooled down from a day of baking, and we will keep them in the oven overnight so they can completely dry. So the peppers have been able to sit in here all night long. The oven is cold now. The seeds have fallen through as well as some of the peppers, and they are ready for the next step. And here we are with our good old faithful food processor. We're going to place the peppers and the seeds in here. Just for your information, the consistency of these peppers are kind of rubbery, but they're completely dry, but not dry to be crispy. They're nice and rubbery. To this now, we will add some olive oil and a good amount of salt. And salt also will help to preserve. And now we're going to cream them. I'm going to pulsate. Let's look at the consistency. I believe I'm going to add a bit more oil. So it's something you're just going to have to kind of look at. We'll close it back up. I think this is it. Look at this gorgeous paste. Now we would love to know as to what you make when you have a lot of peppers in your garden. Now we're going to fill our jars. And we have previously sterilized them. I'm going to top it off with a little bit of olive oil, and we will do that until all our jars are filled. And then there is one last step. Here, a bit of olive oil until they're completely covered up. We'll close the jar. Now the last step is to wrap them in this paper, place them in this pot, and fill the pot with water. We will allow it to boil for about 20 minutes. Our pepper paste have finally been canned, and I just want you to get a nice close-up of this beautiful paste. that will be absolutely perfect to spread on some bread, in pasta dishes, in a soup, over vegetables. Anyways, look at this. Buon appetito!